Okay, YouTube, I'm trying to figure out what's going on with this Infiniti. I changed the mass airflow sensor, and now the service soon engine light is off, but the car is still shaking. You can see here the vibration on the phone. See here the vibration on the phone right now. You see the phone vibrating. That's because the shaking of I have my hand on the steering wheel, the shaking on the engine right now. And I hope this is the spark plug. So if you guys can help me to figure out what's going on, I would really appreciate it. I know the car is low on fuel, but it has nothing to do with temperature. It's pretty low. New radiator installed. It's almost right there at 800 RPM. But they're still shaking a lot. So it's not my fingers. We need to have the camera support on the right there on the steering wheel. You can feel the shaking. So I hope I change the spark plug. I already did the spark plug, so I changed the coil. Maybe this is gonna go away. But anyway, you guys, please help me figure out what's going on with this Infiniti. Really don't know what's going on. Let me turn on the lights. It get worse. Yeah, it get a little bit worse. It got 174,000 miles. Let's see here. Turn off. Yeah, when I turn on the light, it get worse. When I turn on the lights. So obviously I have to do something with the electricity. I hope so. I hope they just change the coils, will fix the situation. Again, help, subscribe, like, and comment, and help me see so I can figure out what's wrong with this Infiniti. Now I turn it off the light, and it's still bad, but not as bad when I turn on the light. So please, any suggestions, I really appreciate it. Infiniti 2006 Infiniti M35, 174,000 miles, and the RPM is right there at almost 700. Thank you.